He's just lying there, barely breathing. The room is still. His chest rises and falls, almost imperceptibly. The clutter doesn't move. The camera drifts slowly, revealing the scope of the stillness.
My takeout tower, from old to new. And there's the single chip on the floor. Guess that's my life now.
This bowl of rice has a phone in it. The phone is dark, do not touch it. And see this note? It says, do not eat. He holds a bowl of rice. His eyes are open but not looking at anything. His chest rises very slowly, then falls.
So bored. Chips time. Good.
Tomorrow is a new day. The day is almost over. A new day.
Time drifts in this quiet room. The shadows shift, but I remain. And here, the note. Okay. Yes. Okay. He blinks once, slowly. His eyes move slightly, just the natural motion of a mind working quietly. He doesn't speak. He doesn't cry. He just sits with himself. This isn't it. Let's fix this.
The mug is clean.
Perfect. Much better.
He sips his tea slowly, watching the dawn begin. The city stirs gently under the morning light.
Finished watching the morning. Time to get some sleep.
He's genuinely asleep, not just lying there. His breathing is slow and even, deeper than before. The room is quiet.
The next day, he didn't feel better. He got up anyway.
He sits there, not moving, not rushing, breathes once, then slowly stands. It takes effort, not dramatic effort, just the ordinary effort of getting up when you don't feel like it.
Brushing my teeth, looking good. Spit, now rinse. All done.
He sets the toothbrush down, walks to the front door, opens it, and steps outside. He stands for a moment, adjusting to being outside. Then he starts walking slowly down the ordinary street.
Just stepping out for a walk. The air feels good today. Just walking.
I'm back inside from my 12-minute walk. The cold light from the fridge illuminates my face. I look at the vegetables in the back. I take them out one by one, setting them on the counter. Just a simple salad for dinner. Eating alone, as usual. Nothing special. He eats the salad. He carries the bowl and fork to the sink, throws the takeout boxes in the bin, washes the bowl and fork, sets them on the drying rack. He washed the bowl and put it on the drying rack. Day 2, he did the same things. Day 2, he did the same things. Morning mug, outdoor walk, evening salad. Day 2, room's tidier now. Just gonna watch some videos. In a tidier living room, the character watches the laptop. His expression is calm, mildly interested in what he's watching. He blinks normally. He's present.
He's lying in bed, eyes open. His breathing is slow and even. After a few seconds, his eyes close. He stays.
Day 5. He bought groceries. He picked out an apple. He felt satisfied.
Day 30, he bought vegetables. He picks up 2 things, doesn't overthink it, puts them in the basket. Keeps moving.
He's at the hob, eggs cooking, toast popping up. He moves between hob and toaster without urgency, plating the food.
He takes a bite and chews slowly. A subtle softening around his eyes shows quiet contentment. He looks down at his plate, then takes another bite.
Nothing.
Okay, talk to you later. Bye.
Ah, the bowl is clean.
Hey, just checking in. How are you holding up?
Yeah, a bit better. Thanks for calling.
Yeah, I'm walking. It's a nice day. Hey, hold on a second. This tree is growing right through the sidewalk. All right, I'll call you back.
It's looking better every day. One step at a time, small wins.
The morning light always brings a sense of calm. Just breathing in this quiet moment, letting the thoughts flow.
He fills the kettle, a routine that has developed. He switches it on and gets the mug. He waits, leaning against the counter, comfortable with the waiting.
Kettle's done. Time to enjoy this. Now for some morning light. Ah, perfect. A beautiful morning.
He's settled on the couch with his book, the apartment warm and quiet. He turns a page, then reaches for his tea. He takes a slow sip, then returns to his book.
This is getting interesting. Whoa, I didn't see that coming. I need to keep reading.
This is my space for healing. Every detail shows my progress. Here, I find my strength.
Time to close the book.
Tea is finished. Lamp off, room dark.
Good night, room.
The apartment was empty. Now, look at it. Not fixed, better. Every detail tells a story of renewal. This feels like home now.
Tomorrow is a new day. Okay, yes, okay. I can start again.
Let's take a closer look at this mug. So simple. A quiet, simple close-up.
The city is alive tonight. So many lights, so much life. And here I am, watching it all.
He wasn't fixed. He was just slightly less broken. And that was the next thing.
The routine of recovery, ordinary and persistent. Just the morning, just the mug, just the kettle.